Hello student, it is the second part of The Snake and the Mirror lesson. Page number 4 and second page of your textbook. Now move to read. One feel tempted to look into a mirror when it is near. I took a look in I miss here homeopath doctor. In those days I was a great admirer. Admire means praise, concentrating in beauty and believed in making myself look handsome. I was unmarried and was a doctor. I felt I had to make my presence felt. I pick up comb and ran it through my hair and adjust the parting so that it looked straight and neat. Again I heard that sound from above. Now the homeopath doctor, I told this lesson is the narration. He was narrating his story to his students. Now he told her कि if you will see, if you look into the mirror, one should feel tempt means feeling is there. Sometimes you feel you look very smart, sometimes you feel different feeling. Then he also, because I told he was sitting in front of mirror and kerosene lamp was lighting there, and then he was not feeling sleeping because of hot. He taken out book and he sat in front of mirror, and after that he looked into the mirror. He took a look, and he was sitting in front of mirror. That's why he taken a look, seeing into the mirror. Those days, that time, because he was a bachelor and he was a doctor, so he was great admirer of beauty. Means he was concentrating in to make himself smart and beautiful, and he was believing कि one should in that age one should be smart and beautiful. And so he why? Because if he go anywhere, he would go anywhere, everybody pay attention to him. He become the center of attraction. He make his presence to feel others. So he pick up the comb and making different style. He parted his hair into two part, straight and neat way. And after that, when he was busy in looking into the mirror and adjusting his hairstyle, he again heard same voice what he heard before when he entered into the room after taking his dinner. Now next one. I took a close look at my face in the mirror. I made an important decision. I would shave daily and grow thin mustache to look more handsome. I was after all a bachelor and a doctor. Bachelor means not married. Now again he did not concentrate in sound. He was thinking that sound just made by the rat, and he ignored that sound. He taken close look. He went near the mirror and close look taken, and then he made one important decision कि he daily clean his shave and keep thin mustache. Big mustache he will not keep. Thin mustache, upper lips, that hair is there, that is called mustache. And then he will keep thin mustache and he look more smart, because he was thinking he would a doctor and he would a bachelor. That why he must keep himself smart. I took into the mirror and smiled. It was an attractive smile. I made another earth shaken decision. I would always keep that attractive smile on my face to look more handsome. I was after all bachelor and a doctor too on the top of it. Up now he has taken he he looked into the mirror after adjusting hair. Now he smiled, and that smile he felt he was looking more smart. Then he has taken second decision. He would always keep attractive smile like this smile on his face because he is a doctor and he look more smart, handsome, and he is a bachelor. Then when he was busy in admiring his beauty, then again came the noise from the above. Again sound came, but he was ignoring that sound. I got okay, thank you.